Hey everybody, today we are going to change the rear brake pads on a Subaru Crosstrek. One of the first things you're going to want to do is loosen up the brake fluid cap. You will need a 14mm wrench or socket to loosen up the top bolt here and the bottom bolt there. What we're going to do is remove the bottom bolt completely and simply loosen up the top one. That will allow this section to flip completely up to where we can get to the brake pads. Once you flip this section up, you can see the brake pads are sitting right here. I'm going to get a bungee cord to tie this up just to hold it up out of the way. You will need a C-clamp, which I have sitting right here, to push this piston in before we can install the brake pads. Now have the new shims in place. Now we can put in the new brake pads. Now that we have the new pads in place, I'm going to swing this down. to replace this bottom bolt. And we are now going to tighten it up with the wrench. We now have the brake pads and new shims in place. Simply just put the tire back on and complete on the other side. Make sure to tighten back up the brake fluid reservoir. Take the tire off on the other side, do the job on the other side, and you have then completed the brake job on a Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks for watching.